I'm making my final piping attempt for the Soap Challenge Club challenge this month. We can pick between either piping or texture tops. I'm gonna do one more texture top. But this one, you can see this is actually some piping that I did early on when I was just trying it, just to kind of see what the consistency would be. And I don't know if I'll enter this. I'm kind of waiting to see when I have them all done to see which one I'm going to enter. And I have these little bitty, there's actually a blueberry mold, but I used red and it made these really neat little apples. I don't have a lot of them, so I'm not going to be able to fill, get this out of the way. I'm not going to be able to fill every single cavity, but I may just go down the center. So this is, I'm using this was like 2 loaves, and then I'll cut it down the middle so that I'll go on the top. So I'm going to put the apples kind of right down the middle, and then I've got a couple little extra ones on there that I'll do. I'm going to be doing an American pie one. So I'm using the red apple from Brambleberry. I actually haven't used this yet in cold process. I haven't used it at all, but it's supposed to behave well. It's also not supposed to discolor. And then I'm going to do a One Pot Wonder in the mold for the middle part, and then I'm going to be using red, white, and blue. So the bottom will be Trial by Fire, and then the blue part will be Blue Vibrance. Both these are by Nurture Soap. And then uncolored, I'm using my tallow lard mix batter, and that makes a nice lighter white. And I'm going to go ahead and use this little divider. Typically when you do a One Pot Wonder, you start on the side and then tilt it, but since this is going to be 2 loaves in one, I'll split it down the middle. I'm just put this little cardboard divider in, and I'll pour down this line. Hopefully it won't float or move too much. So I'll pour along the center part so it will kind of go out this way, hopefully. And then I will take that out, put the top on, and then put the little apples on. So let's go ahead and get started. Probably what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and emulsify everything. Since it's not supposed to have any issues, I'll go ahead and add this to the whole batter. Since it's a pretty quick pour, hopefully nothing wonky will happen, but I'll go ahead and fragrance the entire batch, separate it out, then add my the colors in, and then pour.